I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to set up the right-click functionality for a non-Apple mouse on macOS so that it will function similar to the right-click on a Windows computer. Step 1. Click to open the System Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then click Trackpad. Step 3. Make sure Point and Click is selected in the Trackpad section and then click to expand the menu next to Secondary Click. Step 4. Click to select Click in bottom right corner. Going forward, when you right-click on items with your mouse in macOS, it will open a context menu similar to how it does on a Windows computer. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.